This video demonstrates the functions on our PureWash E930 remote. While other Kohler bidet seat remotes and control panels will function similarly, features and functionality will vary by model. Please reference the specific homeowner's guide included with your product purchase for the most accurate details. Press the square Stop button to conclude any activated wash feature or the dryer. Press the Front button once to activate the front wash feature. Press the icon again to adjust the front wash water pressure. There are 5 settings. Press the Rear Wash button to activate the rear wash feature. Press the icon again to adjust the rear wash water pressure. There are 5 settings. Press the Boost button to activate a stronger rear wash and to adjust water pressure. There are 5 settings. Press the Kid button to run gentle wash settings for a child. This mode fully extends the wand and sets the water pressure to low. Press the icon again to adjust the water pressure. When a wash feature is active, press the massage icon once to oscillate the wand back and forth. Press the button again to pulsate the water flow. Press a third time to oscillate and pulsate simultaneously. Press once again to stop the feature. When a wash feature is active, press the position icon to adjust the wand position. There are 5 settings. Press the Water Temp button to adjust the water spray temperature for any wash. There are 5 settings: low, low-medium, medium, medium-high, and high. Press the Seat Temp button to adjust the heated seat temperature. There are 5 settings: low, low-medium, medium, medium-high, and high. Press the Dryer button to activate warm air drying. Press again to increase the air temperature. There are 5 temperature settings. The Energy Save feature conserves energy by reducing the heated seat temperature when not in use. To enable this feature, press and hold the Seat Temp icon until the icon blinks. Release and press the icon again. A short beep and a short nightlight blink indicate that the feature is enabled. A long beep and a long nightlight blink indicate that it has been disabled. Next, we'll discuss how to set and adjust user presets. To begin, adjust the seat features to your preferences while seated. Press the User 1 or User 2 button on top of the remote to save the activated features at the current settings. To change a setting, adjust the seat feature as desired while the preset is in use. Press and hold the User 1 or User 2 button for 3 seconds to save the preset with the new preference. To activate one of the 2 established user presets, press the User 1 or User 2 icon while seated. If one of the user buttons is pressed while the seat is not occupied, the seat will gradually change to the preset temperature. Please note, user presets will reset when the batteries are replaced in the remote control. With the seat unoccupied, press the Cover button on top of the remote to open or close the seat lid. Similarly, you can press the Seat button to raise or lower the seat. The Cover feature can also be enabled to open and close automatically upon approach and departure. To neutralize odors, press the Deodorizer button on top of the remote control. When you are satisfied with your environment, press the Stop icon. This feature can also be enabled to run automatically. To run the UV sanitizing cycle on the bidet wand, press the Clean button on top of the remote control while the seat cover is closed. Lift the seat cover to end the cleaning cycle. This feature can also be enabled to run automatically. The battery indicator light on top of the remote shows the battery charge status. When the icon flashes, it means the batteries need to be replaced. This remote requires 4 AAA batteries. For details on your specific bidet seat remote functionality, see the homeowner's guide.